Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, we're told that an unknown carboxylic acid has a boiling point of 100 degrees C at 25 torr, and we're told to determine the pressure at which it boils, the pressure of its surroundings. If determine it's the pressure. Oh, this is just weirdly, it didn't copy down right. Okay, what is its boiling point at 760 torr? All right, pretty sure that's the question. It's got transcribed weird, so kind of doesn't make sense. But specifically, it says to use this, do this using a nomograph on page 37. I don't have that textbook, whatever textbook this is in reference to, but all nomographs should give you the same answer, so I'll show you how to do that. Let's pull up a nomograph. And I've got to shrink this down. We can discuss how to use it. It's a very big nomograph. It's as small as it'll get. Okay. Basically, what you do is you find the boiling point that it has at 760, or typically how you would do it is that if you knew the boiling point at atmospheric pressure, for example, what you would do then is say, okay, so I'm going to find that boiling point. Let's say it boils at 150. And basically what it is if you want to know what it boils at, for example, some reduced pressure, you would then find the pressure that you're interested in. Let's say we're interested in what its boiling point would be at 2 torr. And then, let's see, oops. You would simply connect I need to draw a line. Is the line behind? Yes, it is. Oh, that's not useful. Can I draw on top of this? Okay. So when I draw, okay, so that'll work. Yeah. So if you knew that it boiled at 150 and you're interested at standard pressure and you wanted to know what it would boil at 2 torr, you would connect a line that connects 2 and 150 and then extend it further over here to the line of temperatures. And whatever temperature you get here is the temperature it would boil at 2 torr. But you're kind of doing this backwards. You know that it boils at 25 torr, or at 100 at 25 torr, and then you're determining what pressure, like using that to determine what its boiling point would be at 760. So that's like you're connecting 100 at the reduced pressure, right? And you know that that happens at 25 torr, so you connect that to 25. Why didn't that go? 100, 25. Okay. And so then you're reading the temperature, and this temperature will tell you what its boiling point was at 760 torr, right? So this looks like 230, 210, 20, 35, 235. Right. So once again, right, you say, the way this question is asked is you put your boiling point at the reduced pressure here, you connect that in a line to the reduced pressure, and this will tell you its boiling point at room temperature. Typically, what you're doing is saying you're selecting its boiling point at room temperature, then selecting a reduced pressure for which you don't know, and finding the answer over here, but this is sort of a backwardsly asked question.